Hello everyone. As parents, we are always concerned about the safety of our children. Every day, one of our teachers will share a child safety tip with you. I firmly believe it is the responsibility of the school to increase the awareness of child safety among the parents and the society. My first tip of the week is no one can touch them. Not all the people out there are good. Educate them about the good touch and bad touch. Give them confidence to tell you if ever it happens. Wishing you all safe days ahead.
Hello parents. You must have seen the video of Mastermind School from our director Mr. Naveen Chaudhary about the good touch and the bad touch. So, contact information. Although I'm sure you all must have taken care to make sure that your child knows your actual name, complete address, your mobile number, and not just my mama, my papa, right? And if they do not know, start making efforts to make them remember these things by heart. You know why this is important? Because sometimes kids do move away and may get lost in a crowd. Teach them they should not panic. They should be able to reach you with help. Wishing you safe days ahead. Bye-bye.
Hello parents, welcome back to the Child Safety Week of Mastermind School. I'm sure you must be eager to know what is the important safety tip of today. Making our homes safe for our kids. I know all of you do that, but still let us talk about the dangerous thing that children may come across in our homes, especially in the kitchen. Do remember never to leave a knife or matchbox in a place where your child may reach it. They may hurt themselves, and please make sure the electrical sockets are always covered. If need be, cover them with tapes, especially the sockets which are in their reach. So that is it for today. Keep safe. Wishing you safe days ahead.
Hello parents, we Mastermind School never shy away from our responsibility of ensuring that our children are safe at their homes too, which is no to strangers. Your child must know whom to interact, whom not to, from where they accept goodies and from where they refuse. As an important tip, I would like to say, decide a password that a child should ask an unknown face who may have some mischievous intention approach them. If you ask any stranger to pick up your child from school or from anywhere else, tell the person this password. This will help not letting the child in wrong hands. Keep your child safe. Have a safe days ahead. Thank you.
Hello parents, keeping our kids away from fire and hot objects. Please make sure that you always keep the hot utensils behind and not on the edge. Second, matchboxes should always be kept at a safe distance from our kids. Whenever you are lighting a candle or a diya, make sure it is kept on a plate and it is out of reach of your child. Always keep an anti-burn cream in your home. You must already be doing that, but your child must be aware that these things can hurt and it will be very, very painful. So let us keep our kids safe and wishing you a safe days ahead.
Hello parents, you all know at what extent our cities have become crowded and crossing the road is difficult task even for the adult. Talking about parents' responsibility while crossing the road, you certainly make sure that you do it when it is safe. But the challenge is to educate the child to do the same. The child must know about the footpath, the meaning of red light and green light. They must know where to look for the light. You must make them aware about the use of zebra crossing. I know you all are very responsible parents. You train your child to follow the traffic rules. Keep safe. Wishing you safe days ahead. Thank you.
Hello parents. Today we are on the last day of the Child Safety Week celebration by Mastermind School. We did this because we are concerned about the safety of all the kids. In my video, I bring you to another very serious point, rooftop. Never alone. You'll be surprised, even I was surprised, the huge number of accidents are reported of kids falling off from the roof. This majority happens when they are all alone on the roofs. So I will suggest you a few tips. Firstly, do not ever allow your child and their friends all by themselves on the roof. Secondly, it is advisable to lock the door leading to the rooftop or an open balcony. So with this, we come to the end of this Child Safety Week. But remember, child safety will remain important till your child is not grown up or understand to take care of self. Mastermind wishes you safe days every day ahead. Thank you.